Hi guys, this is Harsh and welcome to my channel. So this is the part 2 of the tutorial that how to create your website free using WordPress and free hosting. So if you haven't seen my part 1 of this tutorial, then first of all you need to see that first part, and you can see the first part of the link is showing on the screen. So click on this and go and watch the previous part. So without watching that part you can't make your own website. Now in this part of this video I will show you how to start building your website. Okay, and to build our website we are going to see some wonderful steps. So you can see this is my website, that is Asus Trend, which I have published live on the previous video. So now we will build this website. So to log in your website, go to your web host, and in the my website section you will see your live website, and here you can see this is the domain of our website. So click on this, and you can see this is the default website which is given by the WordPress in the part 1 video. Now we have to log into the WordPress, and in the previous part of the video I have shown to you that we have created the password and admin user. So to log in your website, just type here wp admin after your URL address. So you have to type wp admin after your URL address and click enter. Now you can see that it will take you to this login page, and enter your login details here which you have set earlier. So I am logging this, and now we have successfully logged in the dashboard of the WordPress. You can see this is the WordPress dashboard. This is the place you can control your website. Now in the next step we have to choose a design for our website. So to choose our website design we need to install a theme, and which is called Astra in WordPress. So I am showing you how to install the theme, and here in the left pane you can see there is the option appearance. So click on this, and after that you can see there is a themes option. So click on this. Now you have come to this page, and now here you can see these are the themes, and we have to search Astra. So I am showing you, scroll down your mouse and see there is option add new theme. So click on this, and here you can see there is a option search themes. So here you have to write Astra. Okay, search for it. Now you have seen that this is the Astra theme we need to install. Okay, now this is the theme we will choose. So click on install button. Okay, you can also preview your theme. So I am showing you preview. This is the preview of this theme, and you can also do this. So click on install button and it will install your theme. Now it is installing. Yes, the theme is successfully installed, and now you have to activate this. So click on activate. And we have successfully activated our theme. Now you can see this is showing that thank you for installing, and now we have to select this option, get started, and it will activate your theme. Now here you can see this page, it is asking to select a page builder. So I have tell you that in the previous part we will select a Elementor. We will select this Elementor to build our website using drag and drop. So first of all, little bit information about Elementor. Elementor is the software website builder that allows WordPress users to create and edit websites by using drag and drop features. So here we will select Elementor. So click on this. Yes, we selected Elementor, and now you will see this page. Okay, there are wonderful themes showing in this page, you can see. Now here you need to choose a design for your website. So have a look these designs and choose a one for your website. So I am showing you. So in my case I am choosing this marketing agency. So click on this. Now you can see this theme. Now to apply this design, so you have to click import complete site. You can see this is the option import complete site. So click on this, and after you will click, it will ask you this to we would like to know more about you. So click on this. You can select here beginner, for I am building website for myself. So select these options and click next, and also some information you have to provide. And fill these details and start this, and you can now see your selected theme is importing, and the entire design will now be imported to our site. And you can see now the website is imported successfully. So congratulations to you. And now we have to select this option view site, and you can see this is the previous site earlier, and now we will refresh this. Yes, you can see that we have now got the entire design into our site. How beauty is this, you can see. Now this is your website. You can also type this URL in your phone, and you will see this design. Now we have completed our step 2, and now the another step is to edit our content. So let's say you want to edit this home section. So click on this home section, and click here. You can see here this is option edit with Elementor. So click on this option, and you can see as actually it is a free hosting, so it will give you warning like this. So not to worry, continue this. Because we are using free hosting, and this will not provide us the security and SSL certificate. So if you will open this URL, the browser will show you this dangerous option. So not to worry, you are using free service. Now you can see that we have come to this editing features mode. You can see there are many things and you can edit. So let's say if you want to change this name, so here delete this, and you can see in the left pane you write your title. So I am writing welcome to my website. You can see we have written, and in the design mode it is showing. So by this process you can edit your all home pages and the another navigation menus you can see. So after editing your site, so click on this option update. You can see there is an update button, so click on update, and now we have updated our website. So preview your website. So go to this and view page option, select on view page option, and you can see now the title we have written there is showing on the page, welcome to my website. So by this way you can edit your whole content. This, so many things you can edit there. So select and customize your website using this Elementor mode. So that's it guys, this is how you can make your own website with using WordPress. So if you want to learn more about WordPress in detail, so please comment me in my video, I will make a video for you. So this is the process, you can develop your own website for free. So that's all for today, and I will make sure don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.